Hello, I am Shayantika Shah and today I will be discussing what trigonometry is. In Greek, trigono means triangle and metry means measurement. So we will be dealing with all the things that a triangle has. But trigonometry gets more easier because it deals with only one kind of triangle, that is a right angle triangle. So let's draw a right angle triangle over here, that is right angled at B, and the name of this triangle is ABC. Let's suppose this angle is theta. The side opposite to theta is called the height of the triangle. The side adjacent to theta is called the base of the triangle, and the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse, which is the largest side of the triangle. So from the Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to height square plus base square. From Pythagoras theorem, we can find out the sides of the triangle. But what this theta is all about, that we will be dealing in trigonometry. For that, we need to introduce three basic functions, that is the sine function, cos function, or we can say cosine, and the tangent function. In short, we call it as sine, cos, and tan. Now we will put these three functions on theta and we will try to find out the value of these values. So what is sine theta? Sine theta is equal to the side opposite to theta. Here it is the height. So I will write opposite divided by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to the side adjacent to theta. Here it is the base adjacent divided by the hypotenuse, which is AC. And tan theta is equal to the side opposite to theta. Here it is height divided by the side adjacent to theta, that is the base. But how can we remember these tricky formulae? For that, there's an acronym to it which will help us to remember. And the acronym is SO, KA, TWA. So tells that sine theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. KA tells that cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. And TWA tells that tan theta is equal to the side opposite to theta divided by the side adjacent to theta. But how is theta related to these three trigonometric functions, that is sine, cosine and tangent? For that, we have to understand the concept of unit circle. So let's get back to the Cartesian plane, where this is the x-axis and this is the y-axis, which meet at point O. Taking O as the center, we will draw a unit circle, that is, it will have a radius of 1 unit. Now let me draw a right angle triangle over here and name it AOB, where OB is the base, AB is the height and AO is the hypotenuse. This angle is theta and that is the right angle. So what will be the sine theta over here? Sine theta is opposite to theta. Opposite to theta, which side? That is AB. Divided by the hypotenuse. Here the hypotenuse is AO. Now let's see that AO is the radius of this circle, which is 1. So let me put it AB by 1, which will give me that sine theta is equal to AB. Now what will be the cos theta? Cos theta, as the acronym says, KA, that is C divided by cos theta is equal to the side adjacent to theta. Here it is OB. Divided by hypotenuse, that is AO. Now AO is equal to 1, as we can see, so OB by 1, which gives me that cos theta is equal to OB. So let me write it here, cos theta, and in place of AB I can write that it is sin theta. Now what will be the tan theta? Tan theta is the tangent line that passes through the circle through this point A, and this is the tan theta line. Now what will happen if this angle theta changes? If theta increases or decreases, how will it affect the sine, cos and tan? For example, the theta increases. So in that case, the triangle will look like this. Here the theta has increased from the previous theta, and we can clearly see that the cos theta has reduced from the previous one. The sine theta has increased from the previous one, and the tan theta has also increased from the previous tan theta. So if we apply that, what will happen if the angle theta decreases? Then we will find that the cos theta will be greater than the original one. Okay, and the sine theta will be smaller than the original one, and the tan theta will be smaller than the original one. So what's the conclusion? That if theta increases, as is the case in this diagram, the theta is increased, so my sine theta has increased. As the green line says, sine theta increased. The tan theta has increased. Tan theta has increased. And the cos theta has decreased from the previous one. And the opposite will be the case when theta decreases. If theta decreases, my sine theta, tan theta decreases and cos theta increases. So that's how the angle theta is related with these trigonometric functions. Thank you.